We love using Prefect and Coiled and Polars together. Polars provides the compute engine that we need, Coiled provides the infrastructure, and then Prefect just makes sure that everything runs when it should. I think you could build a lot of companies around that tech stack. My name is Nelson Griffiths, and I work at Double River Investments. We are a quantitative hedge fund that trades international and U.S. equities algorithmically. We use a lot of alternative data, like the stock market data people normally think of as like price, volume, that kind of stuff. Everyone has that. Things start getting really interesting when you can access other types of data that are in like text form or aren't easily available through the big data vendors, and you have to go out and either get yourself, or there's really niche products and the data takes a lot of work to get into a manageable state. So it's not just like handing you a signal, you have to actually build something. So most of our data resides in Snowflake, with some of it in like cloud storage buckets, S3 type stuff. We run everything on GCP. We orchestrate everything with Prefect. Most of our data manipulation happens in polars. Some of it we use raw Python, some of it we use Rust without polars, depending on what it is. Most of our compute now happens through Coiled. We started getting to the point where our simple calculations got a lot more complicated, and we went from running things on Cloud Run, which has a max of 32 gigs of RAM they give you, to not knowing what to do because our regression code couldn't run on those machines. It was taking too much data, too much compute. And so we just came across Coiled. We gave it a try and it just kind of worked out of the box. Just the access to compute that it gives us without doing any of our own work, the size of machines we get, we have access to everything GCP offers by just changing one line of code, which is amazing. It makes everything so much easier. We can always use the fastest machines. We don't have to worry about infrastructure. Like the PRs to make a change to switch to a faster machine is so easy. We have a small team, so now we don't have to worry about spending time on infrastructure. We can make sure our time's focused on doing the things that add value and make money.